Hi, my name is Ndelu and this is the Adobe Stock Artist Spotlight series. I'm a photographer and contemporary artist from South Africa who is currently an artist in residence with the University of KwaZulu-Natal as an Artist Protection Fund Fellow. My work occupies the intersection between fashion, documentary, art, and spirituality, and explores the themes of justice, self-care, vulnerability, and space. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the story behind one of my favorite pieces of content that I produced for my stock collection and some lessons that I learned while making the work. I chose the Celebration of Self creative brief. This brief is about opening the door to imagery and content celebrating different bodies, self-love, and the appreciation of who we are as individuals. I chose this brief because it spoke to my practice at large. My work is about countering stories of lack, limitation, and weakness with ones of resilience, wonder, softness, and abundance. The types of stories I could have seen more of growing up. I like to remind myself that representation is both felt and lived, and I hope that my work serves as a reminder of who we are and inspires Black people and marginalized people everywhere to continue to take up space. So now to the story behind the stock. I've chosen the denim series where I photographed my mom and cousins who are more like my sisters. This project was exciting for me for many reasons. I got to work with my family, with my sister, Ndelu, as the production manager, and my dear friend Sami Maseko as the makeup artist and production assistant. I loved photographing my mom and my cousins as I haven't been home for a long time, and I wanted to speak to that by making imagery that explored the ideas of connection, togetherness, sisterhood, time by photographing women of different generations, and time as sustainability as well by using mostly secondhand clothes and clothes that have been handed down generationally. And that's why I chose to photograph my sisters, because when I think about time, when I think about the future, and I think about who this is for, they are the ones who come to mind. I spent a lot of time dreaming of these images, imagining the mood, the color. I wanted to use this as an opportunity to try new things, to work with more bodies in the frame and to play with composition. And I feel proud. I'm proud of what we were able to do as a team, and I'm excited by the work being out in the world and really connecting with people. The key lesson that I learned in the production of this work was the importance of a shot list. I had never worked with a shot list before, and I generally don't work with one when I'm shooting, just the mood board of pictures. But for this project, because the work was so big, I had to work with the shot list, and I had to get very granular with my shot list, which helped production move really fast, and also helped us flow really well as a team and be concise with the images that we were making. You've been watching the Adobe Stock Artist Spotlight series with myself, Ndelu. If you like what you saw and would like to see the rest of my portfolio, please visit Adobe Stock. To see the rest of the Artist Spotlight series, visit the Adobe Creative Cloud YouTube channel.